Hi, so in this quick tutorial we'll see how you can create a price quote with signature. You can send it for and service agreement. You can add multiple parties quickly. You can create lots of templates are there. So first you visit this page. Okay, now we'll use this template for service agreement. Okay, upload your own logo from here, and then you can change the image. Okay, so you can upload your own image, right? So you can see I have uploaded my own image over here, but you can edit whatever you want. Okay, like this, very easy actually. Whatever you want to make changes, you can make it. Okay, then at the end, very end, make sure you have the details, pricing and all. Okay, so here you have this edit option. So pencil icon, once you can see, you can edit it, the title. Okay, then pricing part is done. You have this pencil icon, you can edit image, you can keep it. If you want, you can change also. The main part actually, at the very end, you can add the signature. Okay, you can see two signature. This is provider, means you, service provider. Okay, so you can add you can edit this text and you can add your own logo and everything if you want. So service provider. Okay, so and this is client company. This much. You have this gear icon. From here you can add this section to content library, copy, card, duplicate. Okay, then text block design. If you want to design, you can design. You can change the background color. Okay, like this. If you want, you can do it. Next part is actually save changes, and if you want, you can add in this client company signature date, and if you want, you can add a stamp also. Okay, so this one is stamp, and you have to drag and drop. Okay, in this way. So you can see we have this stamp section. You can duplicate it. Okay, so you can add your client name over here. Okay, stamp, then copy, you have duplicate. Okay, so then you can position it like this. Done, and then save changes. Okay, so in this way you can edit it. Now the next part is actually you can preview. Okay, this is how it looks, and you should define the roles. First you click on this define role section, this create new contact. You add mail ID, first name, last name, and save it. Once it is done, you can move to the next part. So this is our agreement. You can see we have the stamp and all. So let me quickly add one new contract. Okay, so save it, and you should add. Okay, so added successfully. Now you can set the signing order. For example, you want this customer to sign first and then you will do. Okay, in this way you can do it. So in this way you can complete this service agreement part. Okay, now for the price quote, I have already created a separate video. You can watch it. Okay, and if you have any questions, please ask me. Subscribe this channel for more informative videos for business operations, for day-to-day management, and wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.